May iba rin po akong drinks aside sa ice. May ibang drinks rin aside sa coffee. What's up guys? Good morning. Tapos pa ako. Kasi kagagaling ko lang sa sakit. So for today's vlog, or mini vlog, meron akong event na pupuntahan. Not sure. To those who are following me, if you know, that I'm already a Rotarian. So I joined Rotary last year. I'm a member of Rotary Bangi Silangan. Right now. So we do have an event, no, in Laguna. It's Leadership Awards. No, it's an overnight event. And I'm gonna bring Skyler's coffee there. You know, I will put a booth here. So, share ko lang, maaga kaming umalis papuntang Laresio, Laguna. Ayan, so dito gaganapin yung event ng Rotary. So, this is Leadership Awards, no, for youth and some professionals. Kaya eto, nag-aayos na ako. So, syempre, bilang business-minded tayo, no, I've decided na dalhin yung Skyler's Coffee here to sell some coffee and drinks, no, for the attendees and for the Rotarians as well. Kaya super happy ako kasi ang dami naming nabenta. Ang dami ko nabenta actually. Around 150 cups. May iba rin po akong drinks aside sa ice. May ibang drinks rin aside sa coffee. Kuya Jason, kuha mo nga akong kutsilyo. Ang yung latte boss, kahit 60 pesos na lang po. Kasi wala naman pong flavor yun.
We will start in 5 minutes.
Quezon City, I now hold this Rotary Youth Leadership Awards 2025 for relevant. Learning because life never stops teaching, no? With this, I leave you with an inspiring quote from President Franklin Roosevelt. President,
Opo.
Kasi magkapag...
Sige. Dito. Sorry, hindi ko po nakita. Sige po. Ipas ko po. Ano sa'yo?
Share my...
May mainit ka ba? Ulo.
Alright. So...
Huwag ka na mag-Spanish latte. Nahihirapan ako sa Spanish latte. Ay, so okay lang naman. Ready naman na yung isa. Kasi beset. Ano po yung Spanish latte? Malinisan mo rin. Mukha lang hindi. Kasi So, this event is Raila. On a yearly basis, may ginagawang event na ganito si Rotary. So, for this year kasi, kami yung assigned to do this event. Also, aside sa pagtatrabaho and pagiging business-minded, law student pa rin ako. Kaya ito, kahit saan talaga abutan, kailangan gumawa ng assignment at kailangan mag-aral for law school. Sobrang hirap, pero kailangan itawid. By the way guys, 3rd year, 2nd sem na pala ako sa law school.
Hindi. Business ko talaga.
Ice fruit drink mo na strawberry.
Fruit drink. Okay lang. Pero ano po wala pong QR code. Sabihin ko na lang po yung number. 30 mango freeze. Mango drink. Fruit drink na mango. And then Java chip. Tara.
Nasuklihan mo na yung si ate kanina.
Hindi pa. Bibili pa daw siyang drinks eh. Feeling ko naghahanap. Ito din 1,000. Ay.
Nag-stop yung apat yun.
Kano ito?
Dito siya lang.
Sabi ko.
By the way, yung event nga pala is for 2 days. So, Saturday and Sunday siya. Saturday morning pa lang, nagbibenta na ako hanggang gabi. So, kung papansinin nyo, madilim na yan kasi gabi na.
Dala ko. Yung nasa non-pop. Pwede pong mag-stop. Spanish.
Dito ka kami sa likod mo.
So, kung mapapansin nyo, may fellowship and awards night ng Saturday night. And then, sobrang ganda talaga sa Laresio. I hope makabalik nga ako dito eh. And ayun na, Sunday morning, nagbenta ako. So, until 12 noon lang yung event. So, ang daming pahabol nung paalis na yung mga attendees. Ang daming nag-order na bago sila bumalik ng Manila is talagang dinumog. Kaya sobrang dumagdag talaga yung dami ng cups na nabenta ko for that event.
Hazelnut. Oh. Tapangan ko.
So, ayun nga, this is for my today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Overall, I'm happy kasi madaming nabenta. At the same time, mini vacation na rin to for us while serving others. Thank you very much. Bye!
So, hindi siya effective. May tanong pa po. Ay, ayun, si Ma, may tanong ulit.